Yeah, welcome to this very channel. Quickly, this video tutorial, I just want to show you how to install, but first of all I want to show you how you can download fonts and install it on Pixellab. You have been using Pixellab for some time, and you will want some new fonts, some fonts that are very eye-catching or like having a good way of impression. You must have been seeing some fonts in some designs, and you will want to have such fonts in your Pixellab. So I just want to show you how you can download. Where can you get it? There are different ways or different means you can get it, but I want to show you one of the ways that that is also proven. It's a free using website in which you can have access to different kinds of fonts you download and then install them on your Pixellab app, and you can make use of it for free. So let's go into the video, and to just remind you, please do me good by subscribing to this channel if you are just watching this or coming across this channel as a new person, or you are just God just bring you to the channel. I really appreciate that, and please like the video, subscribe, and my returning subscribers, I really appreciate for having or seeing value in what I'm doing. Thank you for encouragement. Thank you very much. So let me move into the video and show you how we can get this done. So what we're gonna do is to just go to our browser right now, head into our browser, and then the site which we would search for the font is called that font. I don't know if you have heard of that before. Thatfont.com, and that is the website in which we have access to varieties of fonts. What we are going to do just to make some selections. You check and see the one you want, and then you just get it for yourself. Alright, the fonts. Meanwhile, as is loading, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I'm encouraging you to do so, because you are going to have value in this very channel. You are going to get valuable content, videos that you are going to learn and add up to your skill, in which it can enable you to stand out. Here is our font now, so we are just going to check and see the one we want, and we download this very first one. This very first one that is written simple birthday. If you just check let me just bring out my pencil and then show you something. If you check here, this is the number of downloads that several persons have downloaded this very font. 8,841 downloads, and yesterday, wow, 2,397 downloaded this very font yesterday. So when you just move, you are going to see where it's written download. Where you are going to see downloads. So this is download here. This where when we click that, is going to download the fonts. Okay, let me download the fonts. Simple birthday is downloading. Wow, file downloaded. Okay, so now there is a selection. We can make selection of fonts. Do you understand? When you come up here, you are going to check and then select which type of font do you want. Let me select this one, various. Let me see these various fonts. Let me see how it is. There are different kind of fonts here that you can just select, and then you have them. You just make your choice of download. But not to take much. Okay, it's opening. Still loading, still loading. Okay, all right. Which one? Okay, I think I'm gonna like this one. This one. Yes, Blue Zone. I don't know if I really pronounce it correctly. Download. Let me find another one. Let me check for another one. Okay, blenders. Let me download you. This one also. Let me download you. You know, I just want to show you something. You see, below here, you are going to see what does it say? You are going to see different. When you click the second number, it's going to take you to more of the font, like more of it. You are going to have different options, like you are going to see more of it. So now I just want to download this one, then I just show you, just for the sake of this tutorial, because we cannot download all of it like that. You know, it's going to take time just for you to know where you have it. So the next thing we are going to do, let me just come out of this place. The next thing we are going to do, just go to what is it called, your Play Store. There's an app that we're going to make use of, Zip Achiever. That is the one we're going to make use of. So you go to the very place. So you install this very app. You're gonna install the app. So after you've downloaded this very app, you will make use of it. You just go to your, what's it called, you go, when you open it, you go to download file, and then you're now going to unzip it, because these very fonts are in zip form. So you are going to unzip it. You are going to just like uncompress it. So, but for me, the reason why I did not make use of this, I don't know of your own mobile device. Unlike my own mobile device, when I just go to my file, when I get to my file, it's gonna show me. I will wait for it to load. Okay, let me change this part. When I come to this site, this is my file. Okay, now, so you see, it is written here. Oh, you see this very region. You see it. These are the fonts that I've downloaded. The font that I just downloaded. These are the fonts. The 3 fonts that I've downloaded. These are the fonts. So from here, in case if your mobile device have this very file manager, then there's no need of you to download that very application. You only need to just come to your file manager. You have access to this, or you just go to your file and then check your downloads, and then when you just click on it, uncompress, you click on it, uncompress, you click on it and uncompress it. After then, when you are done, you now go to your Pixellab. So don't mind that this Pixellab may be different with the one I don't know the one you are using. Do not mind, it's still the same process. Don't mind this Pixellab, it's still the same process. When you just go to your fonts, okay, when you have typed, you want to type, or you just come to fonts. This is how you have to install it now. Then you come to my fonts, and then you come to this part that I've cycled, that is in cycled font. You click on it, and then you now search for your download. Remember, the fonts are in the download file, except you copy it and then you create another new folder for it. So when you get your download, these are the fonts, they are below. I'll just click on it. I select it, add selected. You see it has appeared. I'll do the same process to the other ones. Where is my downloads? Where are you? Show up. Download. Yes, here you are. Then click on it. I add, select. That is how you install fonts in your Pixellab. I hope you understand. I just pray that you find this helpful. So do well to give a like to this video, subscribe to this channel, and then watch again if you didn't understand, or you can make comments if you want better clarity. And what do you want next? What video? What is that you need? What is your question? What is that you want to know how to do? Just make a comment and let me know if you want me to make another video to show you on how you can navigate through your Pixellab app. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video, and don't forget to watch other video tutorials on this channel. Thank you so much.